Burmese Kala Halwa. One bite, and you'll be enchanted by its velvety texture, rich sweetness, and the deep, dreamy notes of coconut. Welcome back to the heart of Burmawala kitchen. Today, I'm about to share a dessert that whispers of tradition, yet holds a decadent surprise for those unfamiliar with its charms. We begin by pouring 800 milliliters of coconut milk into a heavy-bottomed pan. Next, we add the soul of this dessert, 500 grams of brown sugar or jaggery, bringing a caramel-like warmth. To this, we add in 1 cup of rice flour, the binding agent that will give this halwa its distinctive texture. 1 cup of sunflower oil follows, glistening like liquid gold, before we finish with 3 cups of water. Now the dance begins. We turn up the heat to medium and start to stir, a rhythmic, constant motion that will test our resolve. Yes, I'll tell you now, this is no mere stirring. This is an arm workout, a true labor of love. For 20 minutes you must remain vigilant, switching between spoon and whisk, coaxing the mixture as it thickens. The moment you turn away, disaster may strike, a burnt bottom, and the magic lost. This dish, though deceptively simple in its ingredients, is a test of your patience and focus. One misstep and the entire dessert is lost. But stay with me, dear friends. Watch as the mixture slowly transforms, tightening, thickening, taking on a deep caramel-like hue. By the 10-minute mark, your arms will surely begin to feel the burn. Mine always do. But I assure you, every aching stir is worth it. As the mixture pulls away from the pan's edges, you'll start to see that we're crafting something extraordinary. Look at it. Rich, smooth and molten, like a golden treasure. And trust me, when you serve this to your family, they'll marvel at the unique, indulgent flavor. They might even say, "I've never tasted anything quite like this." This isn't just any dessert. It's one traditionally reserved for the grandest of occasions. And after making it yourself, you may decide it's worthy of your most special moments too. Before we proceed, I want to take a moment to express my gratitude to all of you who join me week after week, who engage with us on Facebook and here on YouTube. You have my heartfelt thanks. Shooting and editing these videos takes time and effort, but your likes, comments and support make it all worthwhile. If you've enjoyed this video, please leave a comment below. It helps us more than you know. Now let's get back to the cooking. After 20 minutes, the halwa reaches its perfect consistency. Thick, smooth and fragrant with coconut and jaggery. But beware, dear friends. This mixture is blisteringly hot, and one careless move could result in a nasty burn. Please take all necessary precautions as we move to the final stage. Carefully pour the hot halwa into a greased Pyrex dish, letting it settle into place. The mixture should flatten beautifully on its own, but if you need to guide it with a spatula, feel free to do so. Once it's spread evenly, we sprinkle poppy seeds over the top. They add a delightful crunch and elevate the halwa's visual appeal to something almost regal. Now we must let it rest. Patience. Allow the halwa to cool completely at room temperature before placing it in the fridge to set. This waiting period only builds the anticipation. Once cooled and set, it's time to reveal our creation. Cut the halwa into any shape you desire, squares, diamonds, or elegant slices. Just look at how perfectly it holds together. The texture is luxurious, soft, with just a slight stickiness, reminiscent of silky treacle. And the taste? Oh, where do I begin? It's rich, creamy, with that deep coconutty flavor that dances on your palate, leaving you craving more with every bite. But don't just take my word for it. You must make this yourself to truly understand the wonder that is Burmese Kala Halwa. I promise it's a dessert you won't soon forget. Thank you, as always, for joining me on this culinary